The primary browser when it comes to Mac is Safari. However, there are several limitations with respect to Safari, and Safari is not the most popular browser across the globe. Many people uses browsers such as Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, etc. As a developer, if you want to troubleshoot most of your applications, it's better to have Chrome, and let us see how to set up Chrome on Mac. So in this case, as I only have Safari at this time, I'm going to Google and then saying download and install Chrome and hit enter. Then we can click on download now here, and then we can say download Chrome, accept and install. It will download the Chrome for us. Once the download is done, we will actually install using this .dmg file which is being downloaded. As the DMG file is downloaded, we can go to that file by clicking on this magnifying icon, and then we can double click on this .dmg file, which will take care of installing Google Chrome on our Mac. It will just take a moment, and it will prompt for us to actually drag and drop this Google Chrome into applications. As we drag and drop this, now the Google Chrome will be available as part of the applications. We can go to these applications and we should be able to access Chrome from here. We can double click this Chrome. It will open up in the dock. However, it will not be pinned into the dock automatically. To pin into the dock, we can right click, go to options and keep in dock. As I use Chrome quite often to validate my applications, I actually pinned into my dock. In your case, if you are not going to use Chrome that often, you can just ignore it. There is no need to pin into the dock. However, if you want to validate once in a while, you can just go to the applications and open the Chrome and take it from there. So as I have been mentioning earlier, even this one is primarily to demonstrate how to download and set up Chrome. The actual usage of Chrome will be demonstrated as and when it is required.